Golf is a game that requires skills and focus and can provide both enjoyment and frustration. At Design Turf, we are a renowned supplier of golf greens and are passionate about delivering unmatched quality, warranties, and experience. Over 25 years and completing over 500 custom-made golf greens makes us Canada's leading authority. We're proud of our techniques and strive to utilize the landscape to its fullest potential when working on new projects. We welcome customers with small and large backyard spaces and always aim to infuse our passion for golf with creativity and experience to make every project authentic. We'd love to share more about our services and how we can help you achieve your dream of playing golf. We're always thrilled to hear from fellow golf lovers. The industry leader for backyard artificial putting greens in Toronto, Design Turf has perfectly replicated natural golf greens' look, feel, and performance. Design Turf got the ball rolling by introducing to avid golfers the design and construction of backyard artificial golf greens in 1998, primarily sourcing the bulk of their putting green installations in Toronto, Canada. With a 25-year history and going strong, Design Turf has installed over 500 putting greens. Over those many years, Design Turf has continued improving its installation protocols. Simultaneously, enhanced product innovations and mandating these new protocols will solidify the PG Augusta product as the industry's foremost putting surface.
Founded in 1987 over a love of golf. Over the past 30 years, our company has grown to offer artificial turf in many applications. ProGreen has 2 North American manufacturing facilities. It's ISO 9001 certified. Our manufacturing plants have provided yarn and turf product for over 3,000 fields and countless synthetic lawns worldwide. Additionally, we are proud to have the most significant global synthetic grass dealer network in the industry. Design Turf of Toronto. Design Turf is year over year the top dealer in North America for us, through decades of conducting business with Design Turf. Thank you.